Google Whisk AI is a game-changing software that just hit the market. And in this review, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Stick around till the end because we're diving into some features that might completely transform your workflow. Plus, I'll be sharing how you can try this software for free, so keep watching. First off, let's talk about what Google Whisk AI actually does. This software has been designed to assist you in streamlining your processes, enhancing productivity, and helping you automate tasks in ways you never thought possible. It's essentially an AI-powered assistant that simplifies everything from research to content creation, and it's been getting tons of attention for its unique approach to task management. One of the most exciting things about Google Whisk AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly with various platforms. Whether you're running a business, creating content, or managing a project, this software works well across your favorite tools, making your workflow more efficient and less time-consuming. So if you're someone who's looking to save time without sacrificing quality, this integration is a game changer. Next, it uses some of the most advanced machine learning models available, which means that the more you use it, the smarter it gets. It continuously adapts to your preferences and the specific needs of your tasks. The longer you work with it, the better the results. So you'll really start to see a boost in productivity over time. Now, one thing to note about Google Whisk AI is its user-friendly interface. Despite the complexity of the underlying technology, the platform has been designed for simplicity. You don't need a tech background to start using it effectively. The tools are intuitive, and they're built to help both beginners and experienced users get the most out of their AI. Another powerful feature that Google Whisk AI offers is its customization. Unlike some of the more rigid AI tools on the market, Whisk allows for deep customization options. You can tailor the AI's outputs to suit your specific industry, task, or project, which is an absolute must for professionals who need results that are both accurate and aligned with their goals. A key thing that sets Google Whisk apart from other AI tools is its data processing capability. It's not just an assistant that automates tasks. It can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that would normally take hours to uncover. If you're in digital marketing, content creation, or project management, the ability to extract actionable insights from your data is invaluable. What's also worth mentioning is the cost. While many high-powered AI tools come with hefty price tags, Google Whisk offers a pricing structure that's designed to make its features accessible to a wide range of users. This affordability makes it a fantastic option for small businesses, freelancers, or anyone on a budget who wants to harness the power of AI without breaking the bank. If you're wondering about support, don't worry. Google Whisk AI comes with a responsive customer service team that can assist you whenever you run into any issues. Whether you're just starting out or need help with advanced features, the support team is there to ensure you're never left in the dark. I highly recommend you check out Google Whisk AI yourself, and the best part? You can try it for completely free using the link below. I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and after all that, I'm confident this one's a solid option for anyone looking to make the most of AI technology in their daily tasks. And just to make your decision even easier, I've included my recommended AI tools in the description. These are the ones I trust after testing thousands of options, so be sure to explore them if you're serious about finding the best AI solutions out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial of Google Whisk AI through the link below.